In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the Bank 2 intake camshaft position sensor, or VVT sensor, on this Lexus IS250. Now there are 4 sensors in total, 2 on each bank, and this is the only one that's different, so you want to make sure you have the right one when you're replacing one. Let's get started. Bank 2 is the driver's side, or the left side bank, and this at the front is our VVT sensor. Looking closer, you can see that there's a 10mm headed bolt and an electrical connector. Let's disconnect it first. Usually you can just press on this tab and pull the connector back, but these get brittle and stiff sometimes, so having a pocket screwdriver is helpful because you can stick it right in here, lift up on the locking tab, and then disconnect it. Now let's remove this 10mm headed bolt with a wrench or a socket so the sensor can come out. With that removed, you should be able to grab the sensor, twist it, pull straight up, and there it is. When installing the new one, it helps to put a little bit of engine oil, or you could use some dielectric grease to put right on the O-ring so it can slide in nice and smoothly without a lot of pressure. There we go. That pressed in all the way, and you want to make sure it does, because if you put this bolt in and this isn't seated, it'll pull it at an angle. That can not only damage the sensor, but it's going to cause an oil leak and, of course, a bad reading on the sensor. So you want to put the bolt in now that it is fully seated, and we'll snug it up. The torque on this is 7 foot-pounds. This is very low, so if you don't have a torque wrench that goes that low and you're not able to torque it, give it about 1/8 of a turn after it has bottomed out. That's plenty, because otherwise not only can it crack the plastic here, but it could strip out the threads. And that was 1/8 of a turn. So that's done. Let's reconnect it. Make sure it clicks when you push this back in. There you go. That sensor is replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.